Am I still the one you see when you close your eyes? Am I still the one you need when it's late at night? Am I still the one you want when you want somebody? When you want somebody? And I swear I won't expect too much. Won't go and drag us through the mud. But I think this fight might not be done. I swear I saw it flicker, flicker. I swear I saw it. I swear I saw it. I swear I saw it flicker, flicker. I swear I saw you. I swear I saw you. I swear I saw you flicker, flicker. I swear I saw you. By my tongue and never let them out, 'cause I can't avoid the heat. Wanna touch your body, wanna touch your body. And I swear I won't expect too much. Won't go and drag us through the mud.
You can see the whole mountain here in the background. For the first time, I know where I'm going.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Oh my God. Look at this. Oh. Is this it? Hey. Oh, it's that way too? Oh, okay. That's cool. But this is the whole thing though? That's
Yeah,
it?
you go on this side and then there's a show on the other side.
Oh,
If you go here, there's a couple of spots that you can go.
oh, okay. Thank you. Cool. Alright guys, so check this out. Blue Lake. Here we are. It's like really blue. So a good place to take a picture here. Ooh. This is kale. So I guess we can't go swimming here because yeah, because of the restoration sign. Wonder if you were able to swim over here before. Probably. Yeah. Oh, and I do see fishes here. What happened? Yeah, that way. Unless you want to go in the shade.
No, where is rock? Is this rock? This is rock.
Yeah, let me see. Yep, this is it. Oh, it's too hot in here. Oh, yep, this is it. Oh, okay. Now we're talking. Whew. Oh, there's people fishing. I really want to like jump there and just swim or something. Okay. Cool.
I reach a lot into the unknown, but all this time, all that's mine, all these forces. Now it feels like the sky is gonna open up tonight. Stop right, burning equilibrium. In your eyes, a lifeline. No, I'm not the only one who feels like burning equilibrium. Found you waiting for me at the edge. Won't you dare to dream with me, you said. Start to see the world in infrared. All this time, all that's mine. Hear your voice inside my head go. Hear your voice inside my head go. Now it feels like the sky is gonna open up tonight. Star bright, burning equilibrium. In your eyes, a lifeline. No, I'm not the only one who feels like burning equilibrium.